Okay, we're on to a word problem. And remember, on word problems, feel free to use the graphing feature of your graphing calculator if you're not wanting to do the algebra. I'll take it either way. We got a mathematical model C, which equals 400x plus 60,000. And this represents the cost, get it? C, cost starts with letter C. In dollars, a company has in manufacturing X items during a month. How many items were produced if costs reached $380,000? So they're telling us that the costs reach this much, and C is the cost. C is the cost. So I'm going to take this function of C is equal to 400x plus 60,000, and in place of this letter C, I am going to insert the $380,000. Now, if you use the graphing feature, just know that the left side of the equation would be y sub 1, which will be a horizontal line going through the y-axis at 380,000. That would be way up high, so you're going to have to mess with your window on that. The right side of the equation crosses the y-axis at that 60,000. That's way the hell up there too. And then it has a slope of 400, which is extremely steep. So graphing, I don't think it's the easiest way to do this, because to solve for x, I only have 2 steps. All I have to do is subtract 60,000 from both sides, cancels out there, and of course 38,000 minus 60,000 is 32,000 equals the 400x, and then to solve for x, divide by 400. And so when you do that, you end up with 800. So how many items were produced was the question. How many items were produced? And X is the items. So 800 items. 800 items were produced so that costs would reach, or will reach, 380,000. So that's number 9.